Thanks for joining this quick how-to screencast brought to you by Salesforce Support. To see more content like this, hit subscribe so you get notified when we drop more content. In this screencast, we're going to learn how to enable recurring tasks in Lightning Experience and the Salesforce mobile app. This feature is a way to use recurring tasks to create tasks that repeat at a specified interval. To enable this feature, the user should have the permission Customize Application and Modify All Data. Typically, the system administrator should be adjusting this setting. From Setup, enter Activity Settings in the Quick Find box. Then select Activity Settings. Select Enable Creation of Recurring Tasks. Click Submit. Next, add the Create Recurring Series of Tasks field to the Task Details section of your org's task page layouts. If the Salesforce Mobile and Lightning Experience Actions section on a task page layout has been overridden, include the Delete Series and View Series actions from the Mobile and Lightning Actions category in the section. Add these sections if they're not already there. Go to the task homepage and click on Create a Follow-up Task button. Notice the Create Reoccurring Series of Tasks checkbox. This will show the extra options such as frequency, repeat, and start-end date. For more information, check out help.salesforce.com or join us on the trail at trailblazer.salesforce.com.